This is a monthly reading for you, Aquarius, for the month of August. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's overall the month of August looking for you. Now, before I start to do the reading, I just wanted to talk about the newsletter which I have made. This is the first ever edition of newsletter for Tarot Bloom. So, in this newsletter, I'm talking about my tarot work. I'm talking about lot of effort and pain and love that has gone in creating it and writing snippets, doing readings on that newsletter, just talking about my journey, about my certain or my own journey of understanding tarot cards. So it's a very detailed and a beautiful newsletter which I have created, and as I said, this is the very first edition. Gradually you will see a lot of more design and quality and presentation coming along. So all you have, just to refer to that newsletter, all you have to do is go to the description box, click on the link of the newsletter, and then download it. You want to maybe circulate this in your social circle, give it to your family, maybe even people you know, acquaintances, as in who you like. And then if you would like, you could also upload it on a certain social handle. I'm looking for a lot of circulation and very wide audience to read my newsletter. So it would be nice if you just go through it, download it, and just send it across to as many people. Now, I'm going to do is see how's the reading for you, Aquarius. So, what is the area of improvement or focus for you? What is the strength or challenges which is showing up in the month of August? How will be your social interactions or dealings with people? What is it that is unexpected and coming your way? And how's overall the month of August? Please note that this is a general reading and everything will not resonate as it is with all Aquarius, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, I will do Reiki distance healing to balance the chakras wherever I see there is a little bit work that is needed. So in the area of improvement or focus, I am seeing is your reputation is starting to go very high, Aquarius. In August, you are going to find lot of respect coming your way. Some of you may even just get a call to travel. You may get an invite to travel overseas, and this is all your work bringing a lot of laurels and glory to you. You have worked very, very hard and you're going very big, Aquarius. Just a beautiful guidance. I'm also seeing is that for a lot of you, your perception rides very, very heavy or very big to wherever you are going or whatever you are doing. It's almost like when people say, oh, this Aquarius is involved in this project or this Aquarius is taking it up, it already means a big success, lot of respect, and people just looking eagerly forward to how well things will get done. Now, what are the strengths and challenges you can be faced with in the month of August? One, if you see, this is a man and this is a woman. So very typically, if I were to look at a relationship, it's just telling me, your career could be bringing in a lot of trouble or worries in your relationship, because this lady is not talking, she's not looking, and she's mostly saying no. But both, then there is a lot of water. So I'm also seeing the two of you may be staying away from each other, and because you're traveling a lot for work, your spouse is not very happy. So this is how it's looking to me. When I also ask about strength and challenges, some of you don't want to, please don't strain your eyes, continuously staring at a laptop or a screen. I'm just seeing amazing strain on your eyes, Aquarius. You want to make sure you keep moving, you keep washing your eyes, and you're not spending too much time in front of a screen. So make sure you keep getting up regularly and moving about. Also, you need to mingle with lot of people. Don't just sit stubbornly with the certain idea. So in the month of August, you should make lot of friends, and then pick up lot of life about or perspective about things, or how to go about certain things. Now, how will be your social interactions or dealings with people? You're not meeting many people. This card tells me you're not meeting many people. This card also tells me you're not meeting many people. So when I'm looking at social interactions, not much is happening, because some of you, if you see, your eyes are here, there is a certain, your eyes are closed. I don't know if this is a blindfold or a bandage, and then on your head there is again a bandage. So one, take care of your health, Aquarius. You don't want a strain on your eyes, and you definitely don't want to unnecessarily get a headache or get a head injury, or develop some kind of stress related problem on your head. Maybe you will just get dandruff. I don't know how those things may start, but you want to look after yourself. So one, you're looking quite injured to me. You are going to be very busy just looking after yourself physically. And then social interactions, I'm seeing is that there is not much time, or you won't have much time to spare to hang out with people. The reason is you're mostly resting when you're not working. So you will be resting. I also see a certain visit to the doctor, where you may get recommended to take some rest or holiday of some sort, because this guidance is totally telling me crashing out, or just passing out and blacking out, whatever is the correct word, because you strained or overexerted yourself at a workplace or whatever work you were doing. Social interactions are not looking much. You're not meeting many people in the month of August. Now, what is it that is unexpected and coming along? There's a lot of speed, and you're very good at your work. For some of you Aquarius, work cards are very nice. Overall, your physical cards are not nice. It's telling me you're doing tremendous work but not looking after your health. So some of you just want to visit a dietitian also, and then have a chart ready, so that you drink so much water in a day, eat that much salad, or you're eating that many vegetables, or drinking so many juices. Because while the work cards are very very beautiful, very promising, and a great stamp of all of it, success drawn on it, I'm just saying that your health needs little bit more attention than you're paying. So August, make sure you're paying a lot of attention to your health. So unexpectedly, I'm seeing is that you're going to pick up speed. You see here, this person is just standing and looking outside, and then unexpectedly you're on a horse coming, all charging up, and you have a weapon. So I'm just seeing there's a lot of speed that's coming along. So maybe if you were thinking of doing something, suddenly you're going very fast and you're doing it very well. So it's a very beautiful guidance. Also, I'm seeing that you will do a lot of foreign travel. Some of you may travel overseas, and then some of you are also traveling a lot locally, maybe to nearby places. So there is a lot of travel that you are doing as well, Aquarius, in the month of August. How's overall the month of August? Frankly, I wish to see a better card, but then it's okay. Tarot should tell us the truth, and we should be able to deal with whatever is the energy or whatever is coming our way. So when I'm seeing this guidance, one, it's telling me there is a shocker coming your way. There is something you're going to be shocked that a certain thing has come along. It is going to push you out of your comfort zone, and it is going to test your mettle. So it could be a certain challenge that showed up at work. It could be something in your personal life, but you are going to be faced with a certain truth or reality. If you are with someone, and this whole work and your distance relationship, which is in distance, or you're not spending enough time at home, you're mostly traveling, I'm seeing that could be bringing in a lot of drift, or pulling the two of you apart. So a marriage could be in trouble as well for some of you. I'm just seeing a divorce card here. So marriage could be in trouble. So you need to be paying more attention, Aquarius, to you, to your loved one, your health, and overall your marriage. So this is how the guidance is. Now I want to charges your crown chakra so that you can handle this energy fairly easy. So I'm going to take out the 7 cards corresponding to 7 chakras, and I will charge the crown chakra for you.